Recording the sewer line here at 9023 8th Avenue Northeast. Date's May 11th, 2020. I am currently sitting right now looking at the city main that's running up and down 8th here. This recording is being made from the clean out access homeowner installed here on the southeast side of the home. I'm going to pull back from here. We're going to get footage on, let me zero this out completely. Zero. Footage of the line. So we're sitting at the main, coming back into 6-inch concrete pipe. So this is 6-inch concrete. A little bit of root coming in there. Now I'm looking for the 4-inch to 6-inch sewer transition, so bear with me for just a moment. And that could be it right there. Let me locate this spot here. Pausing the video to make a locate. Alright, we're resuming the video. That is what I believe to be the 4x6 transition right here. So, two seams close together. I believe we're back in 4-inch concrete line. Yep, alright. Back to that mark. Okay, so there's 6-inch. We got about 27 feet of 6-inch. Coming back now into 4-inch. Large root intruding the pipe there. Looks like where we've got our break, and we've dug a hole here, or the homeowner's dug a hole. So 10 feet of 4-inch pipe back to the hole. We got the tie-in there for the driveway drain and the 2 downspouts. Locate this real quick. Pausing the video again. Okay, we're back. Resuming the recording again. coming into clay pipe here and around the corner, so there's a little section of clay, and then we're back into plastic here at the turn where the homeowner or had somebody do a repair in the past. So we got about 45 feet of liner that would go from, that would all be 4-inch liner, so 45 feet of 4-inch liner on that side of the home. Zero out again as we come back around this corner. So there's the tie-in for the what's coming up top to the surface, and the corner back there we're zeroing out now again to get footage. There's a small break in the concrete line on the right side there, top part of the screen. Back into clay here now. I'll rotate the screen here, get us back on the bottom. There's a tie-in in the clay, likely one of those downspouts in the back part of the house. Now we're in concrete again. Looks like another tie-in right there on the right side of the screen. And we come back into a section of plastic pipe. So there's plastic piping. That's where the bathroom in the back ties in. Now we're coming back into clay. And another tie-in there. Probably that downspout in the back again. Another one. Another tie-in there. Coming back into clay, which is around this corner in the back there. This looks like we're going from 4-inch to 3-inch here as well, as we come back around this last part of the house. I'm going to zero us out here again and come back into what will be the 3-inch section of the line. Hi, Poochie. There's our tie-in for the kitchen and laundry tie-in there. So we're looking at about 20 feet of 3-inch liner to there, where we're going to dig and make a repair. Back into clay, back around this last 90-degree turn again here, into concrete and then into plastic. So we do another 12 feet of liner back around the corner here. So we got my hose down in the line there, and I'm going to wrap the video up there.